In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use record types in Salesforce Flows. We'll walk through creating a simple auto-launched flow that fetches record types, so you can reference them in your automations. Start by signing in to your Salesforce org. From the home screen, open Settings using the gear icon, then choose the option to open the Advanced Setup area. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and select it to open Flow Builder. Click New Flow. Choose Auto-Launched Automations. Auto-launched flows run in the background without a screen, which makes them perfect for back-end processes, subflows, and scheduled work. Before we build, a quick refresher. Record types let you tailor business processes, page layouts, and pick list values for different segments of the same object, like accounts for partners versus customers. Next, pick Auto-Launched Flow, no trigger. This creates a flow that doesn't start automatically. You can call it from other automations, Apex, or run it on demand for testing. It keeps things simple while we focus on retrieving record types. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add an element and select Get Records. Get Records Queries. Salesforce data in real time based on filters you define, then stores the results for use later in the flow. Give the element a clear label so it's easy to recognize in larger automations. Notice that the API name fills in automatically to match the label. No extra work required. For the object, choose Record Type, since we want to retrieve record type information. Add your first filter using Subject Type Name. This field indicates which object a record type belongs to. Set it to Account, so we only return record types for the account object. Add another condition to refine the results. Select Record Type ID if you need to target a specific record type by its unique identifier, a reliable way to reference the exact one you need. For the condition value, set it appropriately. For example, true works when you're matching a Boolean field or flag in your org to limit what's returned. Under How Many Records to Store, choose All Records. This stores a collection so you can loop, count, or reference multiple record types later. Then click Save. Provide a descriptive flow label and confirm the API name. Save the flow one more time to commit your changes. Finally, click Activate so it's ready to be used or referenced elsewhere in your automations. That's how to use record types in Salesforce Flows, with a clean, reusable pattern for retrieving them when you need them. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.